Hi, I'm Dr. Vishnusri, consultant at Omni Smile Dental Hospital, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. We all know that we all are going through very bad phase and the worst medical crisis in our life. So I would like to speak a few words about dental emergencies and oral hygiene maintenance. Coming to the dental emergencies, the first dental and most common emergency is toothache, which we call as dental pain, which is pulpal origin. It may be like acute pulpitis or dental abscess. The symptoms are like with intense throbbing and continuous pain associated with swollen gums and spread of the infection of the facial space, which is Lubbock's angina, which causes the gross swelling of your throat and neck, and some cellulitis related of facial origin. These need to be taken care immediately and need to visit the dentist for the further treatment. And next comes the ongoing treatments like ortho or root canal treatments. The individuals who are undergoing the ortho treatment who has their loosening of the braces or impinging of the bite to the soft tissue need to be taken care immediately. After that, dentoalveolar fractures. These fractures are like involving the teeth with or without the involvement of the jawbone. This includes the fracture of teeth, mobile teeth or loosening of the teeth with or without the fracture of the bone of your jaw. And these things has to be visit the dentist immediately for the further. Today I want to stress more on most frequently encountered clinical symptom, which is tooth sensitivity. Irrespective of age and gender, it is most common. There are many factors associated with sensitivity, like patient habit, oral habit, or the patient lifestyle. First comes the vigorous brushing. Vigorous brushing with the hard bristle toothbrush and using excess toothpaste in rapid movements causes sensitivity. And next comes the consumption of acid and carbonated drinks. The excessive consumption of these causes the decalcification of the teeth and in turn causes erosion and sensitivity. And next comes some people generally has a grinding of teeth habit, which is called bruxism. During night time, people involuntarily, knowingly they grind the teeth, which in turn causes the wearing of the occlusal surfaces of the teeth and causes sensitivity. And next comes some people has a general cause like stomach ulcers, which has an acid reflux in their mouth, in which the pH of the acid which comes in the mouth is more high and causes erosion of the teeth. This in turn causes decalcification of the superficial layers and causes sensitivity. Some dental procedures like some fillings and excessive teeth whitening procedures may also cause dental sensitivity. Next, we need to talk about the precautionary measures we need to take. First, the brushing. You need to select a good oral brush. There are number of brushes available in the market like soft to ultra soft bristles. We need to take that, and with limit amount of selective toothpaste, we need to brush in a circular motions in up and down rather than in horizontal movements. This will prevent the excess loss of the tooth surface. And next, coming to the consumption of excess carbonated drinks, we need to limit the taking of citrus fruits like lemon, oranges and grapes. And if you want to consume more of drinks, you need to take it with a straw. And coming to the bruxism or clenching of the teeth, it can be prevented by taking a night guard. While wearing a night guard during the sleep, this can prevent the grinding of your teeth. Next comes the rinsing of your teeth after every meal or taking your teeth brushing after 30 minutes will help in decreasing of the caries and the sensitivity. It causes the blockage of the dentinal tubules and relief of the sensitivity will be happen. Coming to the treatment, we have a number of desensitizer toothpaste available in the market. If we use this paste for at least 3 to 4 months, it causes the blockage of the dentinal tubules and relief of the sensitivity will be happen. These paste contains like stannous calcium fluoride and stannous potassium nitrate, which blocks the tubules and in turn stops the stimulus. And also some fluoride oral rinses are also available, which can be used to decrease the sensitivity. If at all this sensitivity is not stopped or it is not curing your pain, then you need to go for a dentist for advanced treatment. Coming to the next, following the general oral hygiene measures. Like we know that brush twice daily, floss daily, choose a correct toothpaste, take a good diet and periodical dental visit, that is twice a year. If at our hospital promise you utmost care, maintaining art of sterilization, fumigation and all precautionary measures to give you full service. We take a pledge, we treat you well. Thank you.